Are you tired of playing games on your computer with a keyboard that feels all wrong? What if I told you that you can use your Xbox 360 controller on your PC and make gaming super fun and easy? So keep watching because this video will show you how to do it step by step and you won't want to miss a thing. All right, so here we go. Sometimes, let me just tell you, keyboards are too tricky and your hands get tired fast. But using your Xbox controller, your Xbox 360 controller, it feels just right, like holding magic in your hands. So let's fix your problem and get you playing your favorite games the fun way, basically. So first, plug your Xbox 360 controller into your computer using a USB cable. It fits right into a little rectangular spot on your PC. Next, you're gonna wait for your computer to find it. You might see a message pop up. Now you're gonna go to the Microsoft website and download the Xbox 360 controller. Download the Xbox 360 controller software. After that, you're going to open the software and follow the steps to install it. Finally, open your game, start playing. It should work right away with your controller. So if this helped you, tap that like button, write a comment about your favorite game, hit that subscribe button for more easy gaming tips. Let's level up together. Ciao.